I'm Alyssa.
And this is our van Freddy. Let's take a look inside. This is our 2002 Ford Ecoline. We were debating on what kind of van to get for a while, and we ended up going with a cargo van because one, we wanted to clean the whole slate and have a fresh start and use our own ideas when converting the van. Two, it had low mileage, and last, it's good on fuel.
So we decided to get a van and do the whole conversion thing for two reasons. For one, we really wanted a fun project to work on together. I'm very creative, so I wanted to show my creative side, and Clay is very handy, so it just worked really well together. And then the second reason is we both are super outdoorsy and just love getting up and going. So this is just the perfect way to go on adventures.
So after we purchased the van, step one was to gut the van. We wanted that clean slate we were talking about earlier. After the van was clean, gutted, we decided insulation was a key thing because we wanted to focus on some winter adventures as well. So after insulating the floor and roof, we insulated the walls, and then for our wood look inside, we went with tongue and groove wood paneling. So with our van, one of the main purposes was functionality, and we also wanted to do it on a budget. We were fortunate enough to have a barn to park this guy in for the winter and do our conversion. And along with that, we found a lot of recycled materials we could use, tools, etc. For example, flooring, found in the barn. We got this old wood, as well as this pallet we found, cut it down to size, stained it.
So this is our pallet shelf that we created. We just found it in the dumpster in our neighborhood. We stained it, and then we put little hooks on to hang all of our cups, and they actually don't even fall off when we're driving, which is pretty cool. And then we have this beautiful counter. This countertop my uncle milled actually out of a piece of cedar. We sanded it, stained it, and kept the live edge finish. And then for decor, we just velcroed everything down so that actually doesn't move when we're driving as well. For our sink here, it's actually a salad bowl that we drilled a hole in, and then we ordered this tap from Amazon. The charge lasts up to 40 days actually, and you just charge it with a USB, so that's pretty cool. It just sucks it up from this jug of water, empties it into a bucket. Pretty nifty. So since the bed is so big, it's actually a queen bed. It takes a lot of space up in the van, so it's great to do lots of storage underneath the bed. So we have these little cupboards here that you just pull down. Keep my kayak under this one, inflatable, and then more storage under this one, random stuff. And we also have it so you can lift up the bed too, which is convenient to get big things in and out of. But this is my favorite little section here, our bedroom. So we have all our little string lights up, which are really nice because it just brightens up the whole van and makes it really cozy. And then I painted this world map on the wall, just a little personal touch because we both love traveling. And then we posted up some photos from our favorite trips. So this is our shelf that we made out of recycled wood, some barn wood from the farm, and then some driftwood to hold it all together. This is what we put our clothes that we are wearing the most frequently because it's just easy to get in and out of. And then underneath we just have this net where we just hang socks and stuff in. So over here we have our coat rack that's also from driftwood that we found. I would highly recommend having a coat rack just because jackets take up so much space and storage is just key in a van, and also just for wet jackets they can dry a lot easier. Now Clay is going to show you guys the back of the van. Let's go!
So you're probably wondering where we eat. Let's check it out. for our kitchen, we did the slide out kitchen design under the bed for more storage and more useful space. So here we have our Primus stove. We bought our stove first and then we shaped the kitchen to make the stove fit perfectly, and a little bit higher just for a little bit of wind block. And we made another slide for bowls, plates, cutlery, all that. And here is pots, pans, jet boils, and overnight hiking backpacking gear. So you're probably wondering where we eat these gourmet meals we prepare. Let me show you. So this is where we store our dry food. Just a couple wicker baskets. It's all about space in these vans. And here's our table, weather dependent. Not only is this our kitchen table, we also keep all our chairs in here that we unfold when we're eating, and also all our sporting goods. Let's see what we got in here. One of our favorite pastimes, throwing the old baseball around. Here you go, Liz, pass it over to her.
Thanks for watching our van tour. We hope you enjoyed. You can check us out on Instagram at fat.freddy2ds2ys.
See you on the road.